Lush factory tours. Woo! Today. We're so excited. Look at all the sunflowers, so pretty. So we're gonna take you along with us. We have an exciting schedule. I'm gonna post it up on here so you guys can come along and see what's up today. It's gonna be so much fun, really excited. We watched a couple of other YouTubers who vlogged their Lush tour and we're like, oh my god. Right, see you inside. Bye. I never introduced you in the vlog, but this is Nicole.
Hi.
She's been emailing, me back and forth, and she's so nice. She set up this whole tour for us.
Woo, we're gonna have fun today.
Yeah.
This is a really exciting time of year to be here at our manufacturing because we literally just launched Halloween just over a week ago.
Oh my god.
And Christmas is already in production, so this is our busiest time of year.
Yeah.
We hire upwards of like 1,000 people in manufacturing alone to help our production assistants and our compounders create all of the products that you see in our shops. So our name is Lush Fresh Handmade Cosmetics for a reason, because we actually do use our hands to make products. We've had people come in before say, we want to see the bath bomb machine. I'm like, those are people.
Never introduced you either. I'm terrible at this vlogging thing, but
I'm Kaylee. I'm the office coordinator at Lush Manufacturing. I started in the soap and massage department 5 years ago during Christmas season.
Yeah, that is awesome.
So I heard the giant sea salt bombshell is one of your favorite products.
Yes.
So we're actually going to get to see how that is pressed into the molds, and you're going to be able to fill some of them as well.
Oh my gosh, so exciting.
So I'm gonna start mixing. And that's pretty much it.
And it kind of changes color, I see, too.
Yeah, when it hardens, it changes blue.
Wow, that makes sense.
So, do you want to give it a try?
Yeah, sure. Alright. One of those.
The bottom.
Looks like you scoop it in. Is that good? Probably gonna care about this.
Put a little bit more
More?
mix inside,
Okay.
yeah. Sometimes it helps just to like use your thumbs.
Okay. And then put this over there.
Yeah. Like, that is kind of hard.
Yeah. I'm terrible at this.
It's okay, it's your first time. You need a little bit more mix because you see how the
Yeah, it's kind of gross.
Yeah, sometimes that happens.
Okay.
But you need to put like that
Oh, I
much.
see.
And I
Yeah.
use my thumbs, I kind of like make an opening like that. And then I
Oh, I see. Okay. So sorry.
President Elizabeth, you got it.
Okay, he said he really
and then I clean off the excess.
like that.
And I just do another press and then should be ready.
Ready? Looks okay, I guess.
It's first time, you know?
Better.
And then after, once they harden,
Yeah.
the partner is going to show you.
Usually packing do this one, so
She did pretty good actually. Just a little bit, but other than that, she got it.
Is she tired?
Probably not. You want to try it? Yes. Yeah.
So,
Alright, he's gonna do a
overall,
lot
I'll
better
take
than
the-
I did. No pressure. Do you guys do this in interviews? Make people press the mold?
Not me.
Well, thank you. That was awesome. We tried and failed, but
Thank you so much.
good
Really
experience.
appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you. For
you.
the bath bomb.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, thank you for taking the time to do this during your work. Yeah, thank you.
You can kind of see how much colors they're making. All of those are filled with colored powders. So they get ready in advance. And then that way they can just prepare the citric acid and the
Right.
baking soda mix. So you know exactly how much you need and it's all ready. This is part of a returning Christmas favorite. Do you recognize it?
I don't think so. Which one is this?
Maybe you can see when they pop out there. Those are the little stars that go inside Shoot for the Stars bath bomb. You know the blue bath bomb? And they have the little cocoa butter stars. So they make all of those in advance.
Oh, wow.
And then they get dusted. This is before they actually get coated in gold luster. So this is what they look like when they're just the pure cocoa
They're
butter.
so cute.
Yeah.
They look like little crayons.
Yeah. So then when they're in your bath, they create that beautiful effect where they hydrate your skin while the bomb is fizzing. You can see by how fast he's the fastest packer alive.
Oh my gosh.
So this is what the stars will look like when they're finished.
Hi.
Hi.
Wow, you are
Showing off your packing
speedy.
skills, as
Yeah,
always.
super
You have the
speedy.
two best that ever
Exactly.
that ever were here.
The all-star team right here. Now you're gonna see the fresh room. So you know when you go in a Lush store and you see the little refrigerator with the
Yeah.
fresh face masks?
Yes.
So that's just one element of it. They also make a lot of cleansers in this room.
Okay.
They even make a foot mask, if you can believe it.
Oh,
You
a
tried
foot
that one?
mask.
Yeah.
I didn't even know about that.
Oh, have you ever tried that mask? The bright blue one? It's called
No, I
Don't Look at Me.
haven't. Oh,
Yeah.
They
Yes.
have happening right now.
Yeah, you can see it, and I think I see some in your pot there. You can see the bright blue color around there.
Take a look.
Yeah.
Wow.
And we are using the tofu.
Oh, tofu. Wow.
You can kind of peek in at what they're making, so you can guess.
It looks like avocado.
Oh, the avocado mask one?
Oh, now you can tell.
Brandon bath.
Yes, yes. It looked
at
dark,
that,
so it's
so
like, is
thick.
it green?
Yeah, I was like, looks
Raisin
green, but
green.
now it doesn't. Yeah. Oh, thanks, Trim. Look at all that seaweed.
Yeah. It's our Christmas sushi roll, pushed to Noel.
Yeah.
So that's how it's supposed to look, kind of like a spring roll. Yeah.
Yeah,
Give it a
so
smell.
cool.
It's like it appears like fruitcake, cranberries in it.
Almonds.
So
Yeah,
very
it
yummy.
smells like I want to eat it.
Yeah.
Little bean film.
Yeah,
Okay. What are your guys' names?
I'm Ava. I'm the team lead for the fresh room. Yes, she is.
Nice to meet you.
Leftover, we have
so cute.
so much.
You guys do that all the time. We should bring them to the Christmas
I
party.
swear. I think we might. Everybody else.
It goes in this kind of, it reminds me of like the machines at Dairy Queen, you know, when you get an ice cream
yeah.
cone. So it goes inside there and then it's perfectly weighed so that every pot comes out of the same weight.
A little dollop. Looks like frosting.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's gonna wake you up as soon as you go in here. Do you smell?
Wow.
Minty fresh?
Yeah, that mint is so strong.
So this machine is actually designed to make little tablets like for pharmaceutical
Right.
companies, but we use it for very
Oh,
different
for your tooth-
purposes.
yeah.
So we only have trained tooth fairies
Oh,
allowed in this room,
cute.
but they put in a loose powder mix, kind of like a bath bomb mix, and then it presses it into a tiny little solid puck. And then they're brought out here and they're all packed by hand. The compounders also do a taste test. Make sure the
Oh.
flavor's right.
Yeah.
We will make a big giant batch. It comes out in this bowl here, and then our production assistants actually help fill all these little jars and put all this.
Oh, cute. I love the jars.
This is another returning favorite from last Christmas. So here are some of the tops.
Oh, cute.
Yeah.
Oh, little oranges. They're so cute.
Soap.
Yeah, so it'll get a little cream filling that sort of seeps out when you're washing your hands, and it's really hydrating. It's sort of similar to Golden Pear if you've tried that one. Did she smell this one? Yeah, of course. Yeah, we just saw the other one being made.
Wow, that smells so
nice and
nice.
spicy.
Oh,
it smells so nice. So it's a little bath melt with little flowers.
Wow, they look like desserts.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, the whole bath oil range is kind of inspired by truffles, like little chocolate truffles. Yeah.
What kind of flowers are these?
Amaranth.
Oh, they're beautiful. Elder flower and amaranth.
With such large volumes of product, it's much easier for our staff to move it around like this, rather than the big metal pots that you saw in some other rooms. Because they have to move all of these barrels. And you can see that whole row is things that are just waiting to be filled into containers. So it's a lot ergonomically better for our staff, and this way they don't go to waste. So we just sanitize all of them with hot water and wash them out, and then they're ready to be filled. Yeah. Like, you guys go in, they have beer.
Oh, it's cold.
Kind of shows like this is almost like what a restaurant would have in their
Right,
So
yeah.
we have horseradish for our new hair care line.
Oh.
We have, I'm going to butcher the pronunciation, but it's wasabi kanshui.
Oh, okay.
Kanshui, how do you say it? Shunkui. Yes, I had it backwards. But that actually has horseradish in it.
Yes.
And real wasabi powder. And the local beer, which is very important. What you make it?
I'm making the grape juice that's going to go into the Santa's Belly shower jelly. We're making a lot of it today. There's 3 batches being made, so it's a
Yes.
lot.
Gotta stock up for the season.
It's a big, big seller.
So you just puree it?
Just puree. Sometimes we use the juicer, sometimes we just use this little mini blender. Whichever works for us. Depends on what people are using. Some people are using that.
Right.
Yeah, that's it. Just puree.
Looks like you're making a smoothie.
Oh, red grape smoothie never hurt anyone.
This is a steamer, so it's not going to go directly into the
You're gonna
Actually, a steamer for wasabi.
These are our package-free alternatives to shower gel, which are really exciting for us. So this is a nice Christmas one. Might be familiar to you. You probably smelled it about 10 times today because it's in every Christmas product. It feels like. This is Yog Nog. And then we do a dip in black wax, so it has the cap that looks like a regular one. Yeah. So that's not really part of the product, but it's a nice little decoration to add on the end.
Guys always reuse these molds.
Yes. Yeah, definitely.
Great. Whoa!
What's going on here?
Daddy.
Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. I could drop your phone in here, Elizabeth.
And then I have seaweed and lemon infusion.
Oh, do you want to see the seaweed in it?
Oh, wow, look at those huge.
They're like huge tea bags. For a Lush product, it's literally a big tea bag. Cheese cloth.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
We got seaweed, another seaweed, and then some lemon.
Oh, lemon.
Little micro testing samples. So the jelly that they're making, they make sure to set aside some that goes off to the lab.
The dairy room,
Great.
our multi-day mixes. So this is just the first day. So it doesn't really look like a cream right now. It kind of looks like
Oh,
milk.
foamy. Yeah, wow. Wow.
So as it cools, it'll thicken, and then that's when we add the fragrance, and we do a final mix on a machine that's called an emulsifier, which is a high-speed shearing machine that gives it that really nice silky motion.
One has just been dipped in black wax to give it that sort of appearance, like a whimsical way of showing you that you don't need the plastic bottle.
No, I love that.
So these are naked shower gels, as you didn't explain, but they are fairly new for us. This is our 3rd Christmas
Oh, wow, yeah.
with naked shower gels. We didn't have them before, but with zero waste and minimalism growing, we've also looked for new ways to make products naked. So what we did was, when we first launched these, for every packaged product, there was a naked counterpart to it. That way our customers could make the choice. Like, do you want a packaged one? Do you want a naked one? You can enjoy both or go both ways.
Hi.
yeah, is over there. It's like a carrot. And then the polar bear nose is like a little piece of coal, but not really.
Yeah.
And then after Rudolph, right?
Yeah, I think probably they're making too many bath bombs processors, and they're like making these they're easier.
So it's different than, I guess.
Kind of. I'd say it's more of like a pasteurized formula. It's not too much different. It's just meant to be held in your hand, and then it does turn into like a creamier mix if you're meant to use it as a bottle.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then this is Dog Nog Mountain. Is that what it's called? Something mountain.
I mean, I knew you said it was a mountain.
It looks more like garlic, but they're calling it a mountain. So the idea is it's going to be filled, sort of like yeah, so another like a little sandwich cookie. So sort of like the why can't I think of what they're called? Bubble runes. You know, there's like rose argan bubble rune with the mix inside and you press them together. So it's kind of be like that. But you make the two little halves first. And some candy canes. That's another really popular one. These are all shaped by hand, so there's no way we could use a machine to ever replicate like how one of a kind. Like the little chunks of the wax that you're making, yeah. And you take a look in your kettle.
Right, I'm just melting down the waxes and the butters.
Wow.
One of our favorites. Well, at least for me. Is it actually
Look at that hair.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, Lush product.
It's amazing.
Courtesy of one of our compounders here. She's on lunch right now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, she's really young.
Oh, wow.
Our most recent addition is the Rocket Man.
Sorry. Wow, look at that. Talented people
I
here.
feel like it's Rocket Man because of the Rocket Man movie that just came out
Oh,
for
is
Elton
it?
John.
That's what inspired it.
Really?
Wow.
Oh my
Oh
god,
my
I love that
gosh.
movie.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, comforters like our classic bubble bar. So you guys have This is also a soak and float. It has rose petals.
Nice.
Marigold.
Yeah, that's the one we were just watching being pressed over there, so you can see where it all starts. What's in the mixer?
This is candy cane.
Oh, perfect. So this is where the red mixer is.
Red candy cane. Oh, nice.
I also do photography.
Oh, cool. You also have an Instagram or, yeah, what's it?
I have one for my personal and then one I'm still building with my photography.
Oh, cool. What's it called?
Photography.louis.
Photography.louis, guys. You guys heard it here.
Space. When she was in town, she was seeing Justin Timberlake in concert.
No way.
And I was on their way to the
gosh.
airport. They came. Over here. Oh, there she is.
Oh my gosh. So cool. Wow.
And then here's Shay. Shay, and then her partner Dan.
No way. That's so cool.
Yeah.
Wow, you have an awesome job.
Calendar.
How you reuse that pot there.
Yeah.
Good plan. Genius idea.
I know, I've got so many of them, so I actually just bring them back to the office. This is why there's like so much stuff, because you know, when you use 5 black pots, you bring them back for face masks, but I just bring mine to work because we can drop them off for recycling here.
Oh, I see. That's cool.
So I just bring them back to the office, and then sometimes they hang around, and I'm like trying to repurpose them as well.
Yeah, no, that's awesome. I love
These
that.
desks are actually partially made out of that recycled plastic as well.
Well, that concludes our Lush tour trip. It was really fun. Everyone was so nice.
Everyone's
got a lot of free stuff. But yeah, it was really cool meeting their sustainability coordinator and talking about the climate strike. They're closing and they're all going to it, so that's really important. We'll hike up the numbers. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.